Alright, DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another handy guide to make your life a little easier. We've all been there, that dreaded moment when the toilet clogs up and there's no plunger in sight. It's frustrating, inconvenient, and can even be a bit embarrassing. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm going to show you some quick and easy hacks to unblock that stubborn toilet fast. Let's dive into some quick and easy hacks to unblock that stubborn toilet fast. These methods are simple, effective, and best of all, you probably already have everything you need at home. No plunger needed, so let's get started. First up, the trusty dish soap and hot water trick. This method is great because dish soap is designed to break down grease and grime, which can help to loosen the clog. Grab some dish soap, any brand will do, and squeeze a generous amount directly into the toilet bowl. Don't be shy, use a good amount to ensure it can work effectively. Now let's give it a few minutes to settle and work its magic. The soap will start to break down the clog, making it easier to flush away. While we wait, let's heat up some water. You don't want it to be boiling, just hot enough to help dissolve the clog. Not boiling, just hot enough, like a nice cup of tea. Boiling water can damage the porcelain, so be careful with the temperature. Carefully pour the hot water into the bowl from about waist height. This helps create pressure, breaking up the clog. The combination of the dish soap and hot water should start to work on the blockage. Wait a bit and then give it a flush. Voila! If it worked, you should see the water swirling down. If not, you might need to repeat the process or try one of the other methods. Next, baking soda and vinegar. This classic combination is not just for science projects, it's a powerful cleaning agent. Yep, it's not just for science projects. Baking soda and vinegar create a fizzy reaction that can help to break down the clog. Start by pouring about a cup of baking soda into the toilet. Make sure it covers the clog area. Follow it up with a cup of vinegar. The reaction will start immediately, so be prepared for some fizzing. Things will get fizzy, but that's what you want. The fizzing action helps to break down the clog. After about 30 minutes, pour some hot water down the toilet. Give it another flush. The combination of baking soda, vinegar, and hot water should clear the blockage. If everything goes down smoothly, you're golden. If not, you might need to repeat the process or try another method. On to our third hack, the wire hanger. This method is great for more stubborn clogs that the previous methods couldn't handle. You'll need a wire coat hanger for this one. It's a bit more hands-on, but very effective. Straighten it out as best you can and create a small hook at one end. This hook will help to grab and dislodge the clog. Carefully insert the hooked end into the toilet drain and gently twist and push to dislodge the blockage. Be gentle to avoid scratching the porcelain. This might take a little patience, but it's super effective for those stubborn clogs. Keep twisting and pushing until you feel the clog break up. Last but not least, the plastic bottle trick. This method uses the force of water to push the clog through. Take a large, empty plastic bottle and fill it with hot water. Make sure the bottle is sturdy enough to handle the pressure. Quickly invert the bottle so the opening is facing down and fit it as snugly as you can into the toilet drain. Squeeze the bottle hard. The force of the water should help push the clog through. This method is great for clogs that are close to the drain. There you have it, folks. 4 simple, effective methods to unblock your toilet without a plunger. 4 simple, effective methods to unblock your toilet without a plunger. Remember, these methods are safe and easy to do, but always take precautions. Remember, always be cautious and wear gloves and goggles when handling cleaning agents. Safety first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more DIY hacks. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching and happy unclogging.